Good evening, witches. Happy full moon in Gemini. So let's start our full moon with a book review, and this is called Becoming the Supernatural. How Common People Are Doing the Uncommon by Dr. Joe Dispenza. Hindi lang ito para sa mga witches, okay? So this is for also sa mga taong mahilig mag-manifest. Ang napansin ko kasi sa book na to is how our intentions works. It teaches you how to be grateful and how to attract things na mga gusto natin. Minsan, yung isang thought mo lamang, nangyayari na siya. Kaya napaka-powerful ng mind ng isang tao. So this is the book, Becoming the Supernatural. I hope you really like to read this, lalo na sa mga taong mahilig mag-attract ng mga magagandang bagay.